Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you've never seen a time forecast before, welcome to Parabolic Signals. This was a perfect call a day ago. We had two targets here. I'm going to show them to you now. If you don't know what you're looking at, don't worry. We are going to show you the magic of time forecasting. Now, here you see the 128 chart. I'm going to go over these charts with you guys. If you're new to Parabolic Signals, you can join the link in the bio for VIP. We can show you what an actual trade looks like. This is this morning's scalp, $730 quickie. We like the quickies sometimes. It was a small position. This was the entry exit, $730 in 5 minutes. It was today's scalp. I'm just going to take that away. Let's go over the market update. The 128 is still pointing down. We are looking for actually 9 hours here for a rough turning point. Okay, in this gap here within 9 hours, this is in correlation with the pivot to the upside here. We see that we've got this big gap after we punched up here. A lot of analysts and traders got that sucker wrong. We called this. So turning point 2 to the upside, we've got a big gap to fill here for turning point 3. If you don't understand the turning points either, don't worry about that, guys. You stick around the channel long enough, like and subscribe, I'll be able to show you what this all means. Or you can go to the pinned link in the bio here and we can show you how to look at this chart, take a trade like we made today. $730, not bad for a little scalp. I'm going to show you guys the scalp now on the 8-minute. So this was the trade. You can still see it's heading to the upside here. Forgive me moving around my screen here. Here you see is this entry point. This little green indicator here was to accept the trade, and this is the target, and we've bit that target now. This is going to be the third time within this 8-minute scalp. We took the entry roughly here, and we took some profit there in a 5-minute trade. Okay, so this is the 8-minute. We've still got roughly 1 hour of upside here. I could have stayed in the trade, but I had to make this updated video for you guys to show you what is possible and what is not possible in a time traded forecast. If you don't know what you're looking at, this is Bitcoin on the 8-minute now. So we still got some upside here. I could have stayed in this trade, but the problem is that the 32 is still pointing down and it is very, very choppy, you guys. Okay, so what are we looking for out of this chop? We are looking for a turning point here in the market to roughly head back to the upside on the 128 chart. The 128 chart came in pretty hot and heavy. There's a lot of resistance here, which confirms this downside. It is following this fan line perfectly. Okay, so I'm still expecting some more downside here, unless there's a turnaround on the 32, which I can update you guys here shortly. You can see that this 8-minute scalp is turning out to be pretty profitable. Here you would have had your second target here of 24,835. Lots of profits to be had there. Again, I could have stayed in the trade, but for the most part, I wanted to stay away. Just take some quick scalps for now in this very choppy market. You can see there's a lot of chopping going on here. So the higher time frame. Let's take a look at the 2048. Has the market turned around? Well, as you can see here, we are pointing up. And a lot of people don't think that these targets can't be hit until they get hit. They call the market incorrectly. And as you can see, the Powell pivot caused this very big upside candle. So you guys, I'm not going to ramble on. If you guys want to learn about these charts, okay, I'm going to show you guys my next forecast. We've got quite a bit of upside here once we see the 128 come down. You guys can learn about how to take this trade. My daily intraday scalp, I call them scalps because basically if you can make a daily forecast you can make some really awesome money. There was a big trade right here that a lot of my Discord members took. Awesome volume coming in. If you want to join the Discord, again, there will be a pinned link in the bio. It's free to join. VIP is $50 a month if you guys want my scalps. And we'll see you guys in the next forecast. Take care.